Welcome back to Hobby IT channel. Canva has recently rolled out a fresh new look and some exciting features for designers. Let's dive into what's new. 1. Home menu. You can now access the home menu without leaving the editor. In the top left corner, click the 3-line icon. To close the menu, click X icon. 2. Adding favorite designs. Create a custom section on your home page to quickly access your most needed items. In the sidebar menu, go to Start. This is where your starred designs or folders will appear. New editor interface. 1. Toolbar menu. The toolbar, previously located below the header, is now in the Quick Action toolbar. This toolbar will suggest relevant editing options based on the selected element. If you select an image, photo editing tools like crop, filter, and effects will appear. Select any text and it will display font, size, and style options. 2. Edit panel. The Edit panel appears after selecting an option, tool, or expanding the toolbar. The features you'll see depend on the editing options available for the selected element. To close, click the X button. Three. Side panel. Canva has redesigned the side panel for easier navigation and access to the tools and content you need to create your designs. You can still access templates, elements, fonts, brand kit, images, project folders, and apps from here. 4. Comments panel. Work without distractions. You can now expand or collapse comments to maximize your design space. Filter, sort, and see a complete thread of comments in a dedicated sidebar. Five. Switcher mode. You can switch between edit, comment, or view mode in the header for all design types. For documents, a suggest mode is also available. Note, this feature is only available in the full editor view, not the embedded editor on the home page. Six. Mobile interface changes. You'll find available options after selecting the element you want to edit. For more options, swipe left, then tap More. You can also tap the More icon from the floating toolbar or long press on the element. That's a wrap on the new features and design of Canva. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tech updates. See you in the next video.